What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Temper Tantrum Reacts. Today we are reacting to Street Woman, to LADYBOUNCE's Dance Crew Song Challenge from Street Woman Fighter Season 2. Woo!
They're so long.
Say that 5 times fast.
We've already reacted to the entire series, so it's exclusively on the Patreon because obvious reasons we can't just post up the whole series on YouTube. So go check out the full commentary and reactions there. I am Emeroy, the executive director of Temper Tantrum. This is...
I'm Ryan. I'm not the executive director. I am a dancer on Temper Tantrum.
Chrissy, dancer at Temper Tantrum.
Hi, I'm Maxie. Just dancer at Temper Tantrum.
Maxie, drop that.
Maxie.
Yu-Gi-Oh! Yu-Gi-Oh!
Yu-Gi-Oh!
I'm Kat. I'm a dancer at Temper Tantrum.
I'm Stephanie, and I'm a dancer at Temper Tantrum.
Yeah, so enjoy.
Just cut to.
Oh,
Lot of intro.
This was
there.
Bessie. Oh, I
No.
missed them.
Yes.
What's their name? Oh, they went straight into it.
Right into it.
Yeah,
No
okay.
intro.
Oh.
They say we ain't got no time.
Yep.
She got a lot of layers on. Remember the 2000s? Ashley Tisdale was
Dude,
quaking.
the fact that they got a whole,
Right, actually.
whole motel
I
to
know.
use as
Yeah.
a set, dude.
With these beautiful teal doors.
Ooh.
Okay. I think this is like
Hey.
a multi-set.
Looks like a
That's
set,
how,
yeah.
Mechanic,
Yeah.
like garage.
Oh, this is all okay.
This whole thing looks like a set.
This is a nice set, though, dude.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, she's the vulgar, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo!
I
Nice.
like that.
Nice.
Oh!
Yeah.
No.
Oh, okay, they're gonna get with the outfit change. Oh yeah,
This is cool.
This is very
Oh my gosh,
cool.
those pants with the
I
Ooh.
love.
This
I want
this
that.
like
With the
this
skirt.
this raver look with
Yes.
all right.
This is very creative.
Did she
I've
also
not
have
seen
a?
that.
Yeah. Yes. Diana. Yeah. Hey, that was so good.
I love that little POV shot with the hands.
that was a sick
Yeah.
concept.
Did they do whole
It's
concept?
it's crazy that I've never I don't think I've actually seen anything like that in a dance video until today, which shocks me because yeah, it's a very cool concept, but it's not like I've seen POV shots in movies, I've seen POV shots in TV shows, but why not a dance video? Nice job, Lady Bounce. What the hell?
Yeah.
There,
Irene and Solgi.
there's
Irene
a there
Solgi.
there is one where they have
It was a practice video.
Irene and Solgi. It was a practice video. They're doing tutting and housing at the same time,
Oh,
and they have a POV shot of
that
them.
okay,
Like,
that's
she had a GoPro
pretty
in her mouth
fucking
to
cool.
achieve that
Uh-huh.
shot.
Yeah, but
but
this concept though, like a
Uh-huh.
finalized concept
being
like
in
this.
like a fight,
yeah,
that was
so
clever,
cool.
very
There
clever.
have been stage performances where people play at the choose your character. type
Oh
scenario,
yeah,
like
I've seen that
Kinja's,
stuff, and then
Yeah.
Chapka's
And
Dance
yeah,
Family
yeah.
did something very similar during
Chapka's.
the Mortal Kombat one.
But I mean, between Chapka's and Kinja's was a lot more fleshed out. Please go watch that if you're interested. Yeah, to see it as a music video because it's a lot more dynamic. This is where utilizing your cameraman is to your advantage. All the shots, the fact that it was a motel gave me Surf City in vibes, and that's a big thing if you're in the entertainment industry in LA to have something shot there. I loved it. Yeah.
liked the I guess juxtaposition of like kind of like very I guess quote unquote pretty or bubblegum or like very femme looks with very aggressive style, very
Mhm.
aggressive
Mhm.
Nah,
movements.
they came
I
out
love that.
swinging. They
Yeah.
came out
I
swinging.
like that combination, and then they switched to like these 2000s raver look with
Yeah.
the
Yes.
tutus.
Yes.
The neon.
Yeah.
It's like Hot
And
Topic
just
Raver.
the concept was very like
They were just missing the fluffs.
yeah, like the concept was very fucking awesome. Like just
Yeah.
the switch from like the two different teams
Yes.
and the poses. I want to do something like that for us now. Like this-
Yeah.
There's this part where they
Yes.
walked through, or they did like a little footwork part. That was my favorite part
Mm.
of the whole choreography. Like you have all this energy, really hard hitting choreo, and then just this moment where they're just traveling, and it's just like this little wiggle feet thing going on.
Oh,
if you
yeah,
rewatch
yeah.
it, that was a moment for me. I was like, ooh, That's cool.
Yeah.
That was cool.
Yeah, I just loved how they came out like high energy right away. I like that they like had the little vignettes to show their personality a little bit, but then it was like boom right into choreography.
Oh yeah.
Like they didn't take too long with the intro.
Yeah. Oh no.
Yeah.
They
Here's
got
this
right
dancer,
into
is this
it.
dancer, boom, boom, boom.
And we're dancing.
We came here to work. We came.
I also loved that like choose your character was the transition of
Yeah.
the costume.
Yeah.
Like using that as the costume transition.
Mhm.
It's
Dude,
like-
that was kind of inspiring. I'm like, damn, we can kind of use something like that
No,
too.
it was-
That's so cool. I love the wardrobe change.
Yep. All in under
Like
2
a-
minutes.
Yeah.
Like, comes to concept videos, like I typically like having the intros because it doesn't feel rushed. If it's just like a regular dance performance, there's no need for intros. It just doesn't need it. But with content videos, I always like expect like an intro just to kind of set the story. And usually they take a lot of time. This one, it didn't take a lot of time, but did not feel rushed at all. It felt like it really fit the vibe.
Yeah.
And just went right into it. Like Stephanie said, like the high energy right from the bat really already set the tone for like the rest of the video and the rest of the dance. And I was just like, I knew immediately, like, oh yeah, they're not gonna let me down. They ain't gonna let me down. This is gonna be a great video.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
I want
those
the
are-
outfits.
Yeah.
So
I
cute.
know
I
those
want the
black
black outfits.
pants.
Oh,
Yes.
black
Yes. I don't know if I would like the full tutu all the way to the front. I'd probably do like a waterfall tutu thing, just so I can utilize my legs more. Because I'm thinking about like if I have to run away, that tutu's gonna get in the way.
You're right. You're right.
In a
You're right.
practice.
These are the things that women have to think about.
Yeah.
If I gotta
We
run
have
from
to
a
run
guy
away.
trying to like
Yeah.
kidnap me or something.
I like when I buy heels, I like try to run a
Do
lap
you do
around
a
the
stress
store.
test on
I,
them?
I,
Yeah.
I run a lap around the store.
And then how easy are they to like take off and be like,
Yeah.
Sometimes
Don't worry.
if I buy
As a
heels,
strap,
I
you
buy
can
them
fuck.
used.
As a
They're already
man,
broken in.
and then as a man, when I go and buy my outfits, I purposefully chase my wife. Just to see, like, well, can I still catch
These-
her?
By the way, these two are married.
Can I
so
still-
it's
Yeah.
these two.
It's like I need to make sure she can't get away from me. I mean, it
Oh,
looks
my Lord.
good, but is it functionable?
I'm gonna get you.
fishing pool? I'm gonna get you.
I got you $1. Excuse me, sorry. This is a Macy's.
I'm dead.
Again, we watched this whole series already, exclusively on our Patreon. So if you guys want to see the reactions, the commentary, the drama, and everything, head over to the Patreon. Watch it there. Other than that, we appreciate you guys watching, your support, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.